what's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Cardano price action. Cardano's been, very bullish. We know the buy pressure is present. However, we've been trapped in this ridiculous phase of sideways consolidation and accumulation at what appears to be resistance. In my opinion, $2.18 has remained as resistance overhead, just suggesting, sell pressure is present technically, and we may, be anticipating a break downward here toward support. I'm always looking for these technical key levels. While Cardano is bullish overall, we know the buy pressure is present. Technically, we are just at resistance and looking for support. I do believe support may be present here for us. We have a key level to consider, $1.92 acting as potential support for us. We have two bullish interactions with buy pressure present at that level. One on the 21st of September where we bounced off of it as support. Then we have another bullish interaction with it in the kind of middle of August of this year as well. So we may experience that third kind of interaction off of it. We're looking for buy pressure present off of what appears to be the 0.618 the Bugatti level acting as support here for us. We have this 200 daily moving average present, suggesting an uptrend overall, which does mean, the buy pressure is present and we are expecting, continued upside. However, we just need support to be confirmed at whichever key level is necessary here. So we have the 0.618 line acting as support, this 200 daily moving average acting as support here for us as well, in addition to my key level here, $1.57 acting as potential support for us as well, all the way down below, currently correlating with that 0.5 the Rigatoni level. So we do have some, potential areas of support waiting for us in whatever short-term downside we may experience. We also have all three of our chosen robo advisors still currently bearish on price action. So robo advisors suggesting, continued sideways or downside may occur. We have technical resistance overhead, looking for, potential bullish interactions with these, areas of support. We have key levels and the 200 daily moving average waiting for us as support down below if we experience this a downside here. Overall bullish on Cardano. However, it appears that we need to just find a key area of support. Always looking for these technical confirmations and waiting for some robo advisors to be bullish on price action again. So far, $2.18 has maintained itself as resistance. I'm looking for that to be confirmed as support moving forward. Looking for our robo advisors to come back into play. We've already more than doubled our money ever since, the end of July when two of our chosen three robo advisors became bullish on price action. And then, over the following kind of 37 days, we experienced up to 140% in gains, easily, well over doubling your money with Engineering Robos buy suggestions. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, we were able to still capitalize on 85% in gains if we utilized Engineering Robos sell suggestions. And, since those sell signals have come into play, we have experienced, since two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish on price action, we did experience up to 19% in downside over the following weeks here, and we are still currently trading, sideways at resistance with anticipation of a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself here for us. EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so once two of your chosen three robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And so at the moment, we're just looking for these confirmations. We're looking for bullish robo advisors and confirmations of support before we can start comfortably accumulating Cardano, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with ADA at these levels now? Engine coin ENJ against USDT. What do we have here? Price action reaching my immediate short-term target. I had, that key level of resistance mentioned. $2.18 was my immediate short-term target. That price action I believe, was going to make its way toward here after support found at, my key level $1.53. I do believe about a week ago, price action was about $1.83. I believe in our previous analysis, I was suggesting based on these, bullish robo advisors in play and support found at a key level, we can anticipate continued upside toward my immediate short-term area of resistance here. $2.18 currently resistance at the moment. I would like daily candles to be opening and closing above that key level to confirm it as support. Once support has been found, we can use it as a bullish area of accumulation. And if our robo advisors maintain bullish suggestions moving forward and buy signals remain and support is found at my key level, we could use that as an accumulation and anticipate anticipate my next immediate short-term target of $3.11 is going to be just another key level of resistance waiting for us once support has been confirmed. At the moment, we're just at resistance. I am considering this $2.02 level here, currently the 0.5 Fibonacci Lamborghini line, as potential support in the immediate short term if we experience any sort of pullback or retracement off of what appears to be resistance. And so price action coming from my support, interacting with my resistance. I'm looking for support off of potentially $2.02 here, and I'm looking for a confirmation of this break upward. $2.18 needs to become support for me moving forward. We can use that as a bullish area of accumulation, and I suspect price action will reach my immediate short-term target, $3.12. And so I'm also watching out for a potential interaction with $2.24. Currently, that is the 0.618 Fibonacci Lamborghini line. Price action just may have an interaction with that moving forward. However, my target is still going to be $3.12 there. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Feel free to suggest a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, quick look at Shiba Inu coin price action against US dollar tether. We have unbelievable gains ever since we broke that final key area of resistance all the way back at the beginning of October here. We have that 854 level coming into play as resistance near that bullish area of accumulation all throughout September. There we have these buy signals coming into play. Buy 4, buy 2, and moon signal. All three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action ever since the 16th of October of this year. Say you bought perhaps at technical resistance, or only listening to EngineeringRobo's buy signals, you held through some short-term downside or sideways, perhaps accumulated more. Long story short, after EngineeringRobo became bullish, you have currently experienced up to 539% in gains over the following 41 days, easily turning a potential $10,000 investment into Shiba Inu into over $60,000 just by sitting around looking at it in just over a month. Currently looking at what appears to be potential continued upside. We have price action plowing through all of this potential areas of resistance, confirming them as support as we continue our way vertically here. This last area of previous resistance was the 4994 key level, as resistance moving forward may be interacted with as support. Buy pressure is found off of that key level. We can anticipate continued bullish upside. All of our robo advisors are still bullish on price action. We have a lot of new investors and traders coming into this coin. We have a very aggressive phase of sideways, lots of bullish buy pressure between this range throughout these couple weeks of October. Between the 7th and the 22nd, we had this very aggressive phase of sideways interacting with key areas of support and resistance. Bullish area to accumulate. Shiba Inu would have been my support line. 2365 would have been a bullish area of accumulation. We see price action now plowing to and through what appears to be previous all-time highs. I believe was around that kind of 5000 level. Now moving forward, we may just have to interact with it as support. We've currently set what appears to be new all-time highs, and price action is anticipated to continue its way upward here. It's very hard to be bearish on Shiba Inu at the moment, as there's just so much bullish buy pressure present. Look for any sort of interaction downward towards support by any sort of dip and pullback, in my opinion, as I do believe upside is to be expected. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Now, Dogecoin against USDT, the other Shiba Inu meme themed cryptocurrency. We have price action making its way toward my key short-term kind of target here of resistance. We have 27 cents just acting as resistance overhead, currently correlating with the underside of this 200 daily moving average, in addition to the 0.382 Fibonacci zucchini line. So just three factors contributing just to some technical resistance overhead. We have some bullish buy signals in play here. We have all three of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action ever since the beginning of October. So we can anticipate some buy pressure present overall. Looking for a technical break upward here and confirmation of my current resistance line. I want to confirm that as support with daily candles opening and closing above 27 cents. That would bring price action what appears to be above kind of that 200 daily moving average, which would then suggest kind of a more overall uptrend. We can get more comfortably bullish on upside. At the moment, we are too close to resistance, in my opinion, to be comfortably accumulating at current levels, but we do have those robo advisors bullish on price action, suggesting some buy pressure present here for us. We do have a technical area of support waiting for us all the way down at 20 cents per Dogecoin if we were to make our way downward here. Currently, we're just too close to resistance at the moment. Several factors contributing to just some technical sell pressure overhead. Looking for a break and confirmation of support at my 27-cent key level. Let me know down below what you're doing with Dogecoin. Where do you think price action is headed to now? Rapid fire look at Ethereum price action, interacting with these key levels here. I'm looking for support at $4,192 per Ethereum. Looking for that as support. Daily candles opening and closing above that key level. Currently watching out for resistance overhead. We have key level $4,370 per Ethereum is just going to be resistance overhead. Looking for, bullish breakouts of these key levels. Technical confirmations is always going to be key. In my opinion, my target for Ethereum is still going to be above $6,000 per Ethereum. We're definitely bullish on price action still. We have buy signals coming all the way from the beginning of October. We're above the 200 daily moving average, suggesting an uptrend overall. Currently just conquering these key levels. Now looking for support, as I mentioned, at $4,192 per Ethereum. Let me know down below what you're doing with Ethereum at current levels. Now, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, quickly taking a look at price action, having this retracement and pullback as suggested in your previous kind of analysis, an interaction downward here. I'm still looking for support off of $58,800 per Bitcoin. That is still going to be support for us moving forward. Buy pressure is ever so potent, keeping us above, the $59,000 mark, slipping into it briefly. However, maintaining into the 60K range here as much as it can. Buy pressure is just very much present. I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. $58,800 is still going to be an area we can interact with as support moving forward before we make our way upward here through previous resistance. $64,889 per Bitcoin is going to be just resistance overhead that we need to perhaps confirm as support. Always looking for these technical confirmations. Very bullish on Bitcoin at the moment. I don't think anyone can be more bullish than me. I almost get in trouble sometimes for being as bullish as I am, but I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. It's key to go with the flow of the market regardless of what you may want. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. Are you bullish on Bitcoin? Are you bearish on Bitcoin? Are you selling here? Are you buying here? We have bullish buy signals back at the beginning of October. Price action above the 200 daily moving average. My target is still going to be above $130,000 per Bitcoin over the coming weeks to months. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know your thoughts on price action and tune in for the next one.